We got the fan off finally. Now, yeah, probably should disconnect the battery. We're gonna take this off, try to get the water pump off today. And man, if you don't have the right tools for this, it's not easy. Hear that? That's really loose. So, like I said, I don't have the right wrenches to get to them. We're gonna get this water pump off and also have to change the fan clutch. Yep, my thing's out again. Oh, we leak some coolant. So I'll video it a little bit at a time. I won't be able to do much because I want to get much as I can done. But we have to drain it too here. And what fun that's going to be. Not going to be fun at all. No. Well, everyone, I want you to see my mess I made. Ah, beautiful. So, I don't see any oil or whatever contaminated in the coolant chambers, which is awesome. Yeah, it actually is awesome. Clean all that up, get some sealant and stuff. And let me show you the old water pump. It's noisy. She's noisy. Nothing left of the bearing. Looks in good shape though. It's never been replaced since we've owned it, 2002. This one's quiet. Yeah, you can tell it's shot. It's shot. So y'all, I'm just like Katie. This thing is bad. Listen to it. If you can hear all them stupid birds. You can't. Look at that. And you can see it's been rubbing on there. See, it's been rubbing on the sidewall of the water pump. So it was about ready to break that shaft. Yeah, see, just rubbed on there again. Look at that. Pretty bad. Spilled about 10,000 pounds of coolant. Still dripping there. Check. So I have to get a new one of these. And I have to get some sealant to put on there, it says. So do that. So I put them in there for now. Temporary. So dirt don't get in there. So I cleaned off the mating surfaces. I'm going to clean off a little bit more. And I got the bolts all in order. Should change the thermostat. But I'm not going to because, I don't know. Probably should. Depends. Yeah, should. But I don't think I'm going to. This is the bolt pattern here. I got it all in right order. This one spins good. You know that's a brand new one. And instructions say what you're supposed to do. And that's what I'm supposed to be doing. And then it says, you know, for gaskets or whatever, use silicone grease, if whatever, premature failure. So I got to get this stuff anyway, because this other one was sealed. And carefully, don't, you know, tighten them too tight and blah, blah, blah. You know all that stuff. There's a gasket. I'm not too hepped up on this brand, but we'll see how it goes. Like I said, I got to get a connector to go in here. See, they put that heater core holes on that side, so I can get it routed in there. Other than that, I got the pulley and the bolts there, the belt, the fan shroud, and the fan clutch. The fan clutch is out. You see that? So I'll have to get a fan clutch too. I'll have to go down there. I'm sure that's about $400 for that thing. I don't know. I hope not. Get a new fan clutch for that while I'm at it. Should have got a thermostat, but I mean, it's got water in there. Should have got a thermostat, but I don't know if I want to mess with it though. You have to take that alternator off, I think, to get down there to it. But I'm not going to mess with it.